When many people see black person, they often assume we're African. While history tells us humanity shares common origins, just as Bulgarians and Turks have distinct histories, cultures and identities, the same is true for black people around the world. Before we moved to Bulgaria, people told us we would feel uncomfortable here. Some warned us we would stand out. Others questioned whether we would even be accepted. But after living in Bulgaria for almost a year, this is what we've actually experienced. One thing that's often misunderstood is that Africa isn't just a single culture. It's made up of 54 countries, each with its own history, languages and tradition. And black people living around the world have their own unique cultures too. We're a family of 5 with Jamaican heritage. We packed up our life, left the UK behind, moved abroad and bought a house in rural Bulgaria. We're hearing a noise and it could possibly be coming from the gearbox. So Chris has got to strip it all back down again and see what's going on underneath. What could the possibilities be?
It could be drive shaft, transfer box. It could just be a mountain what's gone and it's moving around, shaking. It feels like it's just shaking. I don't know until I strip it down. If I went looking for it, it's 30 degrees at the moment.
Nip into a car shop and see if they've got a part that he's looking for.
I've managed to get it home. I'm going to drain the oil on the front diff and the rear diff, and afterwards I'm going to strip the whole interior out just to check the transfer box oil. Yep, my oil does not look good. Get my tools out, that didn't go well. If it's grey, that means it's got moisture or even water in it. But if you get old engine oil or old oil, motor oil, you can clean it, strain it and turn it into diesel. Put it down because you can run an older car on it. Oh my god, the weather's so bipolar here in sunny, rainy Bulgaria. As you can see, my lovely work I've been doing has just gone to ruins. It's become, or becoming, a pond. Install some koi carp over there, and some perch over there, and maybe when that gets a bit deeper, some trout.
Historic footage shows that people of many different ethnic backgrounds have been living, studying and working in Bulgaria since at least the 1970s. So why are people so intrigued when they see us? In many parts of Bulgaria, especially outside the larger cities, diversity is still less common in everyday life than it is in countries like the UK. For some people, seeing a black family isn't something that they've experienced regularly. Well, you guys are going to the festival in a minute. Yeah. It's a meat festival. So the curiosity naturally shows. Sometimes that curiosity comes in the form of a second glance. Sometimes it's a smile, a question, or simply wanting to know where we're from. From the mentality. And occasionally people may make assumptions about our background because it's what they're familiar with. Thank you very much. Yours is beautiful too. Thank you. Thank you very much. Hello! Може би случайно ти ме срещна. Hello! Може би. Може би. Hello. My.
Hasta la mos, everyone.
Yeah.
I'm going to be gay.
But
Afrika.
No, Jamaica. Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Yeah.
Jamaica.
Caribbean.
Dance. Dance? Dance? Folk. Da, da. Da, Falkland. Da, da, da. Moi, come in the middle.
Oh, wow. Beautiful. Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Okay, we'll come out. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Oh, look,
Okay,
the
you
praise
too.
there. The praise.
Oh, praise.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. Alles goed?
Da, da. Very good. From Jamaica. Jamaica? Da. Live in Bulgaria now. Da. But we are from England. Yeah, Anglia. Da. Nice to meet you. Priятен ден. Da. Da.
Говорите български?
Da.
Как се пишете?
Bulgaria is the best. How long have you been back?
1 year.
1 year. Do you like it?
I'm from here.
Da. So you must like
I
it.
live in Canada 10 years.
10 years.
Yeah, but I don't like it. It's
No?
too cold.
Very cold. But
It's so-
Bulgaria is very cold in the winter.
It's perfect.
We just
Now
went.
it's really hot.
Oh my god, it's too hot.
Yeah.
But in the winter we just had minus 27. I was like, really? And your hair is beautiful. Wow. I like that style. That sounds pretty cool.
Yeah. What?
Do you live in Ghana?
Living where?
Ghana. Oh yeah.
No, in another city.
Oh, duh. So you're just here for the festival?
Yeah.
Okay. No.
No, I'm not the owner.
Boss man.
I'm not the owner. I'm like a manager, but not the owner.
Okay.
Owner is a woman. She's in the same group now.
Oh, okay. Nice to meet you anyway.
Nice to meet you.
So I was saying, where is the shop based?
The shop base in Sofia.
Sofia?
Yes.
Oh, okay. And so can I buy hair like this in Sofia? Can I buy hair like this in Sofia?
Like ours, yes, but
Yeah.
like your, I don't know.
Nah.
I'm just a translator right here.
Now you do really well. Your English, your English is one of the best we've heard in Bulgaria.
Yeah, it's very good.
In Bulgaria so far, English is the best. And we spoke to a lot of people who speak English.
Yeah.
It's the best.
I think English is much easier than Bulgarian. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Different
Many witches.
Yeah.
And it means different things,
means-
depends on the context.
Yeah. I just.
Yeah.
Just like Bulgarski.
It's confusing.
Just like Bulgarski.
Yeah.
One word means many things.
Yeah. Like vreme.
Duh.
This means time, but it like means like weather or time.
Yeah.
Or,
Anything. He's a character, he is. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Take care, guys. Bye, bye. Monica's saying bye.
I haven't got back to pick up your food.
I have. Oh, yeah. Come on. Gosh. Come on. Huh? I know. So guys, we are going through the festival. Everyone is chilling. Everybody's chilling out here, eating meat, having beer, and just enjoying themselves. So, hello. Hello, nice to meet you.
Just friends.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, me too. I'm Lucy.
My name's Elaine.
Celine?
Elaine.
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 Where are you from, Elaine?
UK.
UK?
Yeah, duh. But we are born in Jamaica.
Oh, born in America.
Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Jamaica, duh.
Nice. Super.
Nice to meet you. Priятен ден. Hi guys, do you want to keep going?
How she got
to dog them when we go away.
I know she starts barking.
Oh, that probably means she isn't going to do anything then.
I know, but the lion is huge now.
Почвам да се чувствам неудобно от тези хълби, а не, то истина не са хълби. Добре, приятели, аплодисменти има ли? Така. И аплодисменти и отдел за градските комши, моля ви се. Пропускаме и тях.
Yeah, sure. We are. Oh, thank you. Oh, yeah, sure. Do you speak very good English? Do you speak very good English? Fresh start. This one. Fresh start sticks. Da. Bulgaria. Thank you. Bye. Bye. Thank you.
That's been on there from day one. That was probably second and love at one point.
Wow, it's nice.
Okay, good. Traditional Bulgarian dress. Yeah, traditional Bulgarian. Maybe actually wear one. No, maybe not. Men. We don't want to be on an island because we travel a lot. And if you're on an island, you have to always take a plane. And we don't want that with me to drive.
You guys like people here or no?
Some people can be a little bit standoffish,
Yeah.
but majority people, Bulgarian people especially, are okay. Right, so that is it, guys. It's the end of our day, our trip at the festival. It's been pretty cool. We've spoken to a lot of people. Is that hair on your face, Monica? Is that hair? People have come up to us and spoken to us and asked us where we're from.
Look again.
Guys, what do you recognise here?
Huh?
So what do you recognise here? Turkish.
Turkish. €3,
Duh.
6 pieces.
I know.
6 lead.
Look, Talumba.
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 Oh, €255, 100
Grams?
grams. Look at this, look that.
I know, baklava.
Are you Turkish? Are you Turkish? Kanefe.
Kanefe, no.
Oh, no. Kanefe, number one.
Number one, yeah.
Oh, you need to make kanefe. We love it. Oh, you have a shop?
Where? Sofia?
Sofia, no. Plovdiv.
Plovdiv. Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye. Bye. So, what did he think?
It's really good. Spoke to a lot more people this time, but different people. And there's some people who saw us last time. I think today was quite a day though, definitely
It's the
for.
first day.
That's the first day, yeah. But they got some more rides than they didn't have last time, so maybe tomorrow's even better. We may come back tomorrow, who knows?
What we've learned is that curiosity and unfriendliness isn't always the same thing. While some people told us would feel uncomfortable in Bulgaria, our experience has often been that people are simply interested in who we are and how we ended up here. As a Jamaican family who left the UK, bought a house in rural Bulgaria and started a new chapter of our life, we understand that we stand out. The real question isn't why people notice us. It's what happens after the first moment of curiosity. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Wow. This sheep has just literally given birth about 20 minutes ago. And that's the little baby there. You can just about see the umbilical cord hanging as well. And now it's feeding. Look. We don't want to disturb her too much because the baby lamb is feeding. But look, if you could look closely, you'll see the umbilical cord hanging. Look. It's a newborn. Aww. Aww. What happened?
She literally just went at my when I did that.
Oh, yeah?
You heard that gunshot go?
Yeah, I think they're just trying to scare the...
She can do.
Was she? Oh no, Monica. You okay? You okay, Monica? You okay, Monica? Monica? Come back and see that. Festival. Brilliant.